You're welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Muna, and on this channel I do natural hair videos. I also share feminine hygiene tips. So consider subscribing if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, and you're gonna be loving it here. Have you subscribed yet on my YouTube channel? Why haven't you subscribed now? Why you put doing me like this? It's not fair. Support your girl, oh. Please subscribe to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how you can be able to make use of fenugreek for massive hair growth and to grow a healthy hair. Fenugreek has a high protein and nicotinic acid content, which are known to be beneficial against hair fall and dandruff, and in treating a variety of scalp issues like dryness and hair baldness and also hair thinning. So today we're going to be making the oil now. I'm going to be using 3 tablespoonful of fenugreek to make this recipe. So the first thing I'm going to do now, I put it in a pot. Do not put oil in the pot. You are going to do something like dry frying. You just put it in the pot and don't let it get burnt. Just put it in the pot without oil, like so, and let it turn brown a little bit. After that, you take it out, allow it to cool down, and then put it in your dry mill. Put it in the dry mill and then you grind it into powder. Grind it into powder. Why do we need to grind this into powder? We did it so that it will be able to increase the surface area of the fenugreek. If you're making use of fenugreek seed or powder is more better because it has large surface area compared to the seed. So that was why I had to do the dry frying. Then I blended it to make it more potent before grinding it into powder to increase the surface area of the fenugreek oil. Fenugreek is also rich in folic acid, vitamin A, K, and also vitamin C, and it's also a storehouse of minerals. If you're battling with hair fall, hair thinning, then you need to add fenugreek into your hair recipe. Fenugreek is one of the best herbs even in Ayurvedic medicine. Fenugreek is a very good strengthening herbs. Very good strengthening herbs. So now I'm gonna be used 1 full cup of my olive oil. I added 1 full cup of the olive oil now into the bottle. You can make use of coconut oil or any oil of choice. I made use of olive oil because I'll be using it on my hair as a sealant and also on my scalp as well. Olive oil is also a very good source of antioxidants. It also promotes scalp health, it improves blood flow to the hair follicles, and the follicles are also in turn stimulated to grow thicker strands of hair. And it also helps to reduce split ends, and it also nourishes and conditions the hair, soothes the scalp, and also reduces DHT production. It reduces breakage and prevents damage. So I put it into the double boil. I did the double boiling method, and after doing the double boiling method, what I did was I allowed it to stay for 4 days. 4 days. You can allow it to stay for 4 to 7 days before sieving. So now I'm using my scarf now to sieve it off like so, as you can see. You need all to try this fenugreek oil. Fenugreek is a good source of protein and also good source of nicotinic acid that helps strengthen the hair shaft and prevent breakage. Aside using it for hair too, fenugreek is also good for kidney problems also. It also increases milk production in breastfeeding mothers. So it's not only used for the hair, but you can also use it for your health, and also mothers who are breastfeeding can make use of fenugreek as well. So I've transferred it into my applicator bottle after leaving it in for 4 days. I'll be using this oil for my scalp and also on my strands. Fenugreek is a must try if you want to grow healthy hair, if you want to reduce breakage and strengthening your hair. It's a very good strengthener, very good strengthener, confirmed by Ayurveda. You all need to try it, and this is the best way you can actually make your fenugreek oil. So now is application time. Now I'm going to be showing you all how I apply this oil on my strands. I sprayed first with my fenugreek mists, which I'll be showing you all later in another video. Now I'm applying the fenugreek oil on my strands. I concentrated on the tip of my hair, Then I went ahead to seal my ends with castor oil. You can either use castor oil. Please do well to watch my other video. You can click in the links above to watch the video on 3 ways in which you can make use of castor oil for massive hair growth. So after applying the oil, now I'm gonna be twisting my head down like so. You all need to try this fenugreek oil. This fenugreek oil recipe is the best recipe ever. Make use, do well to dry fry it dryly, then blend it into powder to increase the surface area of the fenugreek so that your oil will be able to infuse properly into the oil. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to share this video with your friends and family, and please give this video a thumbs up, like and share this video, and let me know in the comments below if you're going to try fenugreek, how you have used it. Did you use it as a mask, as an oil? How did you use your fenugreek? Let me know in the comment section below. So thank you all so much for watching. Can see how my hair is looking like, so guys, I'm really feeling myself. Thank you all so much for watching my video, and let me know if you're gonna try making your own fenugreek hair oil. So let me know in the comment section how you've used the oil. Let me know. So let's talk down in the comment section. And if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and do well to share this video with your friends and family. So thank you all so much for supporting me. Thank you to my new subscribers and my old subscribers. See you all in the next video, and do not forget to press the bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my video. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye.